Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Learning Zone. Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to make a resume um, for your job. In Nigeria, we popularly call it uh, Vitae CV, curriculum vitae. So, some part of the world, it is called resume. Okay, and you all, I believe, know what rhizome is actually. Spelled rhizome. Okay. All right. So Resume, rhizome. Okay. But many people here prefer calling it CV. Okay. So um, most people here call it CV, curriculum vitae for short. Okay, so you can see the name here. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how to make a curriculum vitae with your phone. Okay, so um, let me just show you some example of what you can do with your phone. Actually, the design you see in business centers around here is not as good as the one you can do with your phone. This is better. It has a very stunning design, um, collection of design that you can make with your phone. Like you can see this, you have your name written at this position. You have your contacts. Okay, you have your technical skill, and you have other information that is at this positions. Okay, so you can make all these design. We have a lot of design. We have let me show you other more designs so that you can um, see how beautiful your CV will look like. Okay, so we have this. Okay, these are just samples that I just made. It's not really my real identity, just sample. I was just testing the app, so I just put in some samples there to generate the CV. So you can really generate the CVs. And somebody was asking me whether it's necessary to put photo passport in your CV these days. And I want to let you know that even though it was not necessary in the earlier times, most CVs now have the provision to put your um, um, passport. Okay, for the sake of this video, I also will be using the word. At times I'll be using uh, resume, and other times I might be using CV. And so just know that the two actually is the same. Okay, they mean the same thing. Either resume or CV, they are all the same. All right, so we are going to be learning all these, and we are going to, at the end of the day, know how to make our CV look as beautiful as this. uh, I stay in Bayelsa State of Nigeria, and um, it is not so different from other states. where you get you walk into business centers and you tell the business center um, operator there to make a CV for you, and they just make uh, a normal CV that is not with any design, usually something like this. And they just make this traditional CV design, something like this. And with this app, you are not getting something just traditionally like that. You are going to be getting a very, very fantastic design. Um, Designs, not just a design, designs that you can really choose from. Okay, so um, let me go straight to the tutorial on how to do that. We are going to be needing either of these two applications. We are going to be needing an application called Auto CV Builder. You can see it on the screen there. Auto CV Builder. We are going to be needing that, or we are going to be needing an application if we don't want to use this one. By the way, I'm going to be dropping the link below this video so that you can download the application and install in your phone. Okay, you can go to Play Store and type CV Maker. CV Maker. Okay, let me check CV Builder. Okay, or CV Creator. Let's check this. Oh yeah, we got it. So you type CV Creator in your Play Store, and the first option that has appeared is this one. Okay, this first one, you can see the logo there. The logo looks exactly like this. So you might have other CV Creator, but make sure that what you're seeing is this one. Okay, sorry for that line. You can also see it here. Okay, it's the same thing. All right, so we get here, we need to install it to our phone. So CV Creator is the app name. CV Creator have to be installed in your phone, and right now I'm downloading it. And so while it's downloading, let's go straight to this one, Autos CV Builder, the one I showed you earlier. So I will click it to open the app. All right, when the app opens, the first thing you see is for you to select your language. I believe that you are an English person watching this video. You're not a French speaking person. Oh, sorry for that interruption. What I was downloading in Play Store, which is a CV Creator, I just finished downloading and installed to my phone. That's why it showed up this way. All right, let's go back. So you need to select your language. If your CV should be made in French, you can select French, but we are all English speaking people, so we select English. The next screen you are going to be greeted with is this screen right away, this screen that you're seeing. So we are going to actually click on create resume. Okay, like I told you, resume is the real word for CV, but Nigeria we prefer calling it curriculum vitae. So but in other countries, most countries is resume. So click on create resume. If you don't get what I clicked on it, the button, if you don't understand the button I clicked on, this was the button I clicked on. Okay, so I clicked on that button and it took me to this next page here. Okay, so just if you have a lot of information there, you have the personal info, education, work experience, project details, technical skills, and a lot more. Okay, just like when you go to the business center, the operator they ask you a lot of questions, and just you just tell the operator lot those questions, and then impute it to your system. So the first thing we are going to be doing is to click on personal info, and here we have the name. So I'm going to be using any random name that comes to my head right now. So in this project, I'm going to be using let me say John Peter. So I'm going to be using John Peter. Address. Let me say number 26. Igilobi Street. So this is my address one. You can see that the address line 1 is asterisk. It means that it's compulsory that you put the address 1, but the address 2 and 3 is not really compulsory. Okay, so I'm going to be putting my email, and let's say email is support at learning zone. Sorry, that's not what I intended to write. Learning zone forum. Right, then I will put my number, and let me put my WhatsApp number, and that's 234. If you want to write it in international format, 234, but let me put it in the Nigerian way, the local way. This is my number. Right, you want a number that they can reach you with. Your company can call you, and this is the number to get to me. Date of birth, they said optional. I'm just gonna put date of birth. Okay, so say 16 March 2005. That's not my original date of birth, I'm just using it. Okay, marital status, the person can say single. So the person can write single here, can write anything. Married, can write anything there. So I'm just gonna put single here. Known languages, English, maybe the person knows French, and that's all he knows. Nationality Nigeria. And then the next thing you want to do is to click on save. Okay, so you just save this information. So I'm going to click on save, and you can see that this said successfully saved. The next thing is to scroll up a little, and on the education section, which is this, that's the next one. We're going to click on it, and you have a lot of things that comes up. So we have course, we have course. I'm just going to put English. That's one of my favorite courses, English. Okay, so I'm gonna put English there. University, I'm gonna put well, so these are not really compulsory. Year of passing, gonna put remember your date of birth was 2005, so you want to put, I'm not trying to encourage fake information here, please. You have to put your real information, but I'm just doing this for the sake of this video. I'm just generating random information. Okay, so let me put okay, the person just, maybe the person went to school 2009. Qualification, year of passing, qualification 2. I'm going to put computer science here. That's my favorite as well, computer science. University. Niger Delta. Year of passing. So you can put your year of passing there. After all, you click on save, work experience. You can add your work experience. When you click on work experience, you can observe that they didn't give you any information about, they didn't give you any option. So you have to click on this button here, this one here. You click on add, and then you see all this information there. All right, so now the same way you have done this personal info, the education, work experience, what we have done so far, I cannot just, for the sake of this video, go on and fill all these ones. I cannot do that. So but the same way we have done the personal info education, that is how you attend to all these ones here. Okay, now when you come to this one, which is photo and signature, this one here, what you need to do, let me just click on it. In here we click on change photo, we click on this, and then we click on add photo. It will take you to your gallery, your photo gallery. So you can just choose the images of your choice. Okay, go and look for the image of your choice and choose. Well, we are just doing this for educational purpose, so I'm not going to choose an image for now. So when you finish choosing the image, you can just click on save. The save button is here. Just click on save and it will be saved. All right. Add signature. You can see on this area there, they say add signature. If you want to add your signature, you can click on add open sign pad. So you click on open sign pad and you just kind of sign your signature, and that will be your signature. Immediately you finish doing that, you can click on submit sign. If you see that it's okay, what you did is okay, you click on submit sign. Otherwise you can click on clear to resign your signature. Okay, so when it is okay, you can just click on submit, and that's it. After everything, we can click on this button here, which is this one down here, generate resume. So we click on that, and then it will take us to select resume format, and we can see that we have the traditional method there, this popular method that you always see in Business Center. But when you go down, you will see lots of designs. I love this design. It's simple but nice. You can go down and you have more sophisticated design. And let's just use this second one. You have this one. You can select your color. I'm okay with the original color there, which is blue. And then when you click on download resume, it will give you the resume format. You can see that we use the John Peter here, and these are the little information that we imputed on the CV. Okay, these are just the little information we wrote on the CV. So when you click on that download resume and you are okay with that, you can click on this this little button here, the little arrow at the top here. Okay, don't know whether you can see that. There's a little arrow there, so you can click on that and click on save as PDF, and that's it. We must